A lot of people over the years have wanted to use my automated task tracker, but they couldn't use it because macros was blocked by their company. But the wait is over because this non-automated task tracker follows the flow of the automated task tracker pretty much to a T. Let me show you how it works. On our dashboard, we have our priority matrix that shows us exactly what task to complete next. And we also have a snapshot calendar showing us when everything is due. We also have a Kanban view showing where every open task is in the process, as well as all done tasks in the last 3 days. And on our visualizations tab, we can see exactly where we're spending our time each week. To use the tracker, it's super simple. Any tasks that need to be completed again will be flagged to this To Add tab. All we have to do from there is copy what's there, go to the bottom of our task list, right-click, paste specials, values, and now we have it on our task tracker. All we need to do there is go to anything that's in red, marked as yes, and we just need to add today's date. That way it resets the timer. So you can do Control, semicolon, and that will automatically do it with hotkeys, or you can add it manually. And as you can see, To Add is no. There's nothing on the To Add list, and it won't populate again until the next time something is due. It's simple to reorder the task list. All you have to do is mark it as ascending, and you have all the recurring tasks up top, then the top priority, high, medium, and so forth. As you go through the task, mark it as pending, and then mark it as done, and you'll see a formula timestamp appear over here to the right for all of your done tabs. So let's go ahead and mark a few as done. And at the end of the day, all we have to do is sort descending by status, and then we'll have all of our completed done tabs at the bottom. Let's copy everything through the completed date, go to our done tab, right-click, paste specials, values. And when you do that, that formula timestamp will convert into an actual fixed value. It will automatically determine if you met the deadline or not, and it will extract what the start week is for that date. On the visualizations tab, it will automatically update with the new data. So as you can see, now we have February right here because those tasks I just sent occurred on February 1st. And they're also added to the week of January 26th, since that's the Monday before the completed day. Now the last thing we have to do is go to our task list and simply delete any tasks that we have moved over to the Done tab, and we're good to go for the next day. So all you'll do is follow that flow day by day, add any tasks that are right here, update the last added date to today's date, use the priority matrix to go through your flow, as well as the Kanban view, complete your tasks, move them from the task list to the Done tab, and then delete them from the task list. There's a full tutorial showing exactly how to build this from scratch on my YouTube channel, or you can buy a pre-built template at sheetsbyolin.com, and I have this for both the Excel versions and the Google Sheets versions. Let me know if you have any questions, and like and comment for more.